Today, we're diving into some fascinating clues and discoveries about black holes. These cosmic giants still hold many mysteries, and we're going to explore some of the biggest questions scientists are trying to answer. If you enjoy space and science content, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. A hidden giant possible black hole in the Large Magellanic Cloud may collide with the Milky Way. Astronomers have detected signs of a massive, unseen black hole lurking within the Large Magellanic Cloud, a dwarf galaxy orbiting the Milky Way, mated to be about 600 times the mass of the Sun. This mysterious object could eventually merge with our galaxy, shaping its future evolution. Signs of a hidden black hole. Astrophysicists from the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics investigated hypervelocity stars ejected at extreme speeds, believed to have been propelled by a black hole through the Higgs mechanism. This process occurs when a black hole interacts with a binary star system, capturing one star while flinging the other away at tremendous velocity. Analyzing 21 such fast-moving stars in the outer regions of the Milky Way, researchers traced their origins and found that 9 of them likely came from the Large Magellanic Cloud. The force required to launch these stars suggests the presence of a massive, invisible black hole within the LMC. A future collision with the Milky Way. The Large Magellanic Cloud orbits the Milky Way at a distance of about 160,000 light-years. Scientists predict that in roughly 2 billion years the LMC will collide with our galaxy. If the suspected black hole exists, it will likely merge with Sagittarius A, the supermassive black hole at the Milky Way center. Such mergers are believed to play a crucial role in the growth of black holes over cosmic timescales. Astronomers hope future observations will confirm the black hole's existence and provide deeper insights into its nature. The research findings have been submitted to the Astrophysical Journal and are currently available on arXiv. Black holes continue to challenge everything we know about the universe. What do you think is the biggest mystery? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button and subscribe for more cosmic explorations. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching this video.